Our next candidate for the questions is the U.S. Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade this year. It's put the issue of abortion rights squarely in the hands of state governments. Pro-Choice America lists Maryland as a state that has protected access to abortion. The question is, do you think the court was correct in overturning Roe v. Wade? As governor, what steps would you take as Maryland moves forward into a post-Roe future?
Well, I'm pro-life, and I always will be pro-life. I support our unborn children, and then my wife and I are blessed with a special needs son who's 7 months old, who's precious, and so we will always support life. And I can say this, the Roe v. Wade decision is not impacting Maryland politics because it has returned power back to the people in the states. And Maryland, has a growing abortion tourism industry. That's not what the future of Maryland wants. We don't want to spend our taxpayer dollars on that. People want money back in their pockets. So the issue in this election is more about empowering the people, putting money back in your pockets to make your choices, and not paying for things that really our taxpayer dollars shouldn't be paying for. That's the focus of Maryland, and that's what I intend to serve as your governor to do, and expand opportunities in health care for women, protecting all of our communities, and making sure that life is always upheld at every point in our state.
I think the Supreme Court, all they did was rob millions of women in this country from health care. I believe that abortion is health care. And I believe, and I know that in our time and in our administration, we will ensure that Maryland will be a safe haven for abortion rights. That this will be a place where we will respect that right of our women. And I do know that in this time, we have a unique opportunity to make that so. Where back in the fall, I pushed for a constitutional amendment. As the state's next governor, I will push for it again, where I want to see Maryland be a true safe haven for abortion rights, and knowing that abortion access is going to be respected in the state of Maryland.